on, guys? Today I'm showing you a common problem in iPhone 5Cs. A lot of them have this issue with the battery expanding. So if your phone starts looking like this, I don't know if you can see it, but it's picking up. The sides picked up. Basically what it's going to do is it's going to end up eventually breaking the screen. Sometimes it'll make the home button not work. There's a couple of things you can tell that it, definitely starting to go. But it's not too bad. Basically, you just got to unscrew these screws here on the bottom. Try to pop the screen out carefully. These 5Cs are notorious for falling apart. And if you look, this has already been changed once before, and it's swelled up. Somebody changed it, didn't put the plate on the correct way. As you can see here, the plate was supposed to be this way. So make sure when you put it back, your plate is that way. So we'll pop out our battery. This one doesn't have any tape on it. Normally it has two pieces of tape, and it makes it very hard to pull this out. And to pull this out, you usually have to heat it up a little bit, but you don't want to heat it up too much because it is a battery. So what we're gonna do here, since somebody had fixed it before and didn't tape it in, I'm just gonna put a little bit of tape on the battery here so they'll slide around. And find the scissors. Also work. If you leave it loose in there, you'll know. I mean, when you carry the phone, it'll slosh around, it'll probably mess stuff up, but so it's not too bad to change the battery. One thing you never ever want to do is pry your battery this way. Stay away from this. This is the money of the phone. Stay away. Don't put nothing near it. So we got our tape on there. Pop that in. A lot of these videos will show you, changing the battery, but do not ever try to pry your battery out this way. You may as well just throw the phone right in the garbage. I don't know how many phones I see that people try to fix the battery themselves and destroy the phone in its entirety. I find where the hell the screw went. There it is. Seems like maybe the battery might be a little too far to the side here. Oh, it works. I'm going to put a little adhesive on this glass and frame. Trying to make sure it's working. Taking a charge. when you have phones this old, I would recommend never updating the operating system. I wouldn't recommend. I wouldn't update an operating system on any phone I have unless it's like a year or two into the phone being released. Seems like the more these phones update, the crappier they get. And same went true with the 4 and 4S. Those phones used to be great, and they update and update and update, and now they're junk. I have a 4S that works on the old operating system and works great. I have the same exact one, 64 gig, that is on the newest stuff, and it works like crap. So I always just take that into consideration, you know, when updating. I just want to make sure this goes up to at least 99%, and that's it. I'll put the screws in the bottom, and it's all done. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate it. Like the video. If you'd like to have your phone repaired, you know, send it on in. We'd fix it for you and send it back the same day. You know, we have all the parts in stock, and if it's something we don't, it doesn't take long to get it in. You know, have any questions or anything, just leave us a comment. Thanks.